Step Up English. Take the next step to fluency.
Unit 12. Lesson 2. Grammar. Past simple passive. Good morning, everyone. Today, I will start the lesson with a quick warm-up. I will write 2 sentences on the board. The Romans invented the calendar. The calendar was invented by the Romans. I will ask you, which sentence focuses on the action, and which one focuses on the person? Then, I will let you think and share your ideas with your partner for 1 minute. This will help you remember what you already know about active and passive sentences. Now, I will tell you. Today, we are going to learn how to use the past simple passive to talk about actions that happened in the past, especially when the person is not important or is already known. I will show you the lesson title. Past simple passive. Lesson objective, students friendly. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to recognize the past simple passive form. Form correct passive sentences using was, were plus past participle. Use the passive to talk about inventions and discoveries. I will ask you to look at the grammar box in your book. I will explain. We use the past simple passive to talk about actions in the past. The form is was, were, plus past participle. I will say the examples aloud and ask you to repeat. The first compasses were used more than 1,000 years ago. A needle was put in the middle of a piece of card. Then I will ask, do we focus on who did the action or on the action itself? Practice exercise 1. Strategy used, think, pair, share, 10 minutes. Now, we will work on exercise 2, complete the text. Step 1, think. I will ask you to read the text silently and think about the correct passive form. Step 2, pair. You will work with your partner and complete the sentences using was, were, the past participle. Step 3, share. I will ask pairs to read 1 sentence aloud, and we will check it together as a class. Assessment 1. To check your understanding, I will say sentences and ask you to choose active or passive, was or were. Example: chocolate was discovered by the Maya people. I will observe your answers and participation to see who needs more support. End of lesson strategy question, exit question. Before you leave, I will ask you this question. Why do we use the past simple passive instead of the active? You may answer orally or in 1 written sentence. Lesson conclusion. To finish the lesson, I will review with you. The form was, were plus past participle. When to use the past simple passive. 1 example from today's lesson. I will say, today, you did a great job using the past simple passive to talk about inventions and history. Well done! Homework. Write 2 past simple passive sentences about famous inventions.
Step Up English. Like, share, subscribe.